Okay guys, you gotta check this out. I have had my Commodore 64 plugged in for less than 10 minutes. And I want to show you the first thing I discovered. Take a look at this.
What you discovered?
It's a SID. Look at this. Look, it's beautiful. Okay, there's a cool little button on the side that gives you this menu that comes with a tape with a bunch of stuff on it. It's actually a USB that plugs in. Okay, so keep in mind I haven't really done much with this yet, but we're gonna listen to a SID tune called Machine Yearning. Yeah, you heard that right. So here we go. We can look through here. People are still making SIDs. Isn't that amazing? Okay, music. Like, so this thing. Oh, sorry, I messed up. This thing comes with a lot of stuff. Demos, games, music. Okay, we're just gonna take a quick look at the music. Go to multi-SID, Machine Yearning. Yes, there's a SID player on this. Okay, so here we go. Boom. Let's take a listen. Let me put it a bit higher. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this, Machine Yearning. I figured I had to share this. Linus Ackerson wrote this in 2023. Can you believe that? 2023. People are still making SID songs. That is beautiful. And they're calling them Machine Yearning. Pretty good tune. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. All right, that's it for now. I'll post a few more this weekend. Hope you had fun.